I picked up a couple pieces of 1x3x8s and about to make some flags. Got my table saw set up to 1 inch and my miter saw over here set up to 23.5 inches. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, guys. This flag is meant to be a coin holder. I have some slots in here to hold the coins. Next thing I'm going to do is put this template down so I can pop these stars right through into place. I prefer the polyacrylic clear matte finish, and I use clear Gorilla Glue. Thanks for watching.